When a client walks into your business, the very first thing they notice is your space. First impressions matter, and a clean, well-maintained environment instantly builds trust. A tidy workplace doesn't just impress visitors. It also boosts employee productivity and morale. When your team works in a clean environment, they feel more motivated, focused, and healthier. But here's the truth: regular surface cleaning isn't enough. Professional cleaning ensures deep sanitation, reaching areas often overlooked. From disinfecting workstations to maintaining high-touch surfaces, it goes beyond dusting, keeping everyone safe. At Cristi Cleaning, we provide reliable commercial cleaning services that keep your business shining. For clients, for employees, and for peace of mind. Because a clean space is a successful space. Contact Cristi Cleaning today and experience the difference. 1-201-883-1717. Fax number 1-201-883-1212. Email us at info@cristicleaning.com or visit our website www.cristicleaning.com.